What's up, boy?
Good day, baby.
Why it's a good day, Cartel? What's up, Cuddy? Shit.
10 boxes at the crib, you know what I'm saying? It's a tight for me.
The bag in.
Oh, yeah, man. This is a good day. What's the day, too? You ain't released it to the August 1st, you know what I'm saying? But
shit, I don't know about it.
Feel good, man. You know what I'm saying? Look at all them down sleeves, man. You know, you get your shit free. You feel me? It's a good day, baby. We finna grind, man. It's gonna be a lot of noise. There's gonna be a lot of disappointed people. There's gonna be a lot of happy people. The street's gonna be happy. Cause real music back around. You know what I'm saying? It definitely died down. Yeah. What up, though, man? This your boy Cartel, dog.
What's good? It's Cut. ODB.
The release of my mixtape. I mean, shit, it's a good thing, shit, cause the shit took, you know what I'm saying? It's been in the works for a minute, you know what I'm saying? So it's about time everybody hear what we've been sitting on, you know what I'm saying? We did about 8 new songs on there. The rest of this shit kind of old music, but we did about 8, 9 new songs. I feel real good about it, you know what I'm saying? It's definitely what the streets need. It's good work, you know what I'm saying? It's original, so, you know, I feel real good about it. Maybe definitely one of the Flint rappers. I'd say, like, you know, originality. I ain't trying to be nobody, you know, I'm not. My music don't sound like nobody. I'm not going around doing a bunch of pop or doing a bunch of auto-tune, you know what I'm saying, singing on hooks and all that. I'm giving you what I've been through, you know what I'm saying? What I see with my own eyes. If I ain't seen through with my own eyes, I got somebody close to me that done lived through it. And I just talented enough and blessed enough to write it down and hope, you know, let the world hear it. So that's what I feel will make me, you know, definitely different from other artists. Like pressure to them, you know, just like I said, because the music original. You know what I'm saying? And then me being me, I'm cool with everybody, you know what I'm saying? And I ain't got no flaw in me, you know what I'm saying? So niggas can't dig up dirt, you know, none of that. It's just gonna be everybody gonna rock with it. And they, you know, if you like good music, you gonna rock with it anyway. Females gonna love it. So, you know, it's just make way for it, you know what I'm saying? And we push it. This don't stop. We working as we speak. From the videos, from, you know what I'm saying, doing shows. We just not finna sit around Flint. I want the world to hear me. They can have the titles in Flint. You the king, you queen, you the A10 king, you the queen, whatever. They can have that. You know what I'm saying? I want the world to know me. I'm just me, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to feed my fam, my homies. You know what I'm saying? That's it. It's off the bench entertainment, you know what I'm saying? Off the bench we chose that because, you know, everybody at some point in time, you a team, everybody gotta know their part, you know what I'm saying? So from off the bench, getting in the game, trying to boil out and do you, to the person that's sitting on the bench, we all applaud each other, we all pat each other on the back, you know what I'm saying? And you know, you see me with Cut all the time, because you know, when I'm doing something wrong, you man enough to let me know, and I'm man enough to respect it, you know what I'm saying? And that's what off the bench consists of. Loyalty, we ain't, our egos gonna get in the way. You know what I'm saying? It's just all about grinding and working. And we all trying to reach one goal, and that's shine. So when you get your chance to get off that bench, go ahead and show coach why you got you on that court, baby. You know what I'm saying? That's all that's about. That's it. I mean, it's your boy Dave Cartel, man. My big bro Cut. You know what I'm saying? Boss Lost and Shooters, August 1st is on the way. You know, get ready for me, man. We ain't stopping, dog. We pushing. With the coke on the way, little Bam finna get out of jail. It's gonna be nasty, man. You know what I'm saying? We finna more videos, more shows. You look out for us, dog. 100. Shout out to my boy Mozzie, man.